wait. Let me hit this first. I love tea. I feel like if I was born in a culture that didn't drink tea, I'd have been very unlucky to be born in a culture that didn't drink tea, you know? I feel like we're privileged.
I'm born in a culture that drinks tea and I don't drink tea.
Oh man. That's very sad.
What do you Really?
In the morning, what do you drink?
No.
You don't drink coffee?
Milk.
You drink? Yeah.
Oats.
Milk and oats. You drink oats?
Yeah.
Alright, no, it's alright. I guess. If you ever ask people to come have some oats with you, choose a dude come.
Yeah, man, who knows, man? There might be a market for that.
There might be. There might be some real fucking strong, hefty chicks that are like, you know, can attract that way. Like farmhands. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like I'm hot. I have milked a cow at some point in my life, but
like the Amish people.
yeah, like big, like strong, like but sexy Amish chicks. You know what I mean? Like she'll raise a barn and raise a barn. Like she'll do both. Like it's, you know what I mean? Like that.
Yeah.
Not that we're insulting Amish people.
Yeah.
You sexy devils. You. Damn. All right, oats. All right.